Hello children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Monami? Monami? Monami, where are you? Just a minute children, let me see where is Monami.
Miss, what happened, Monami? I just saw a ball with spikes rolling in the garden. I tried to catch it, but it turned into a mouse and ran away. I think it might have been a hedgehog. Hedgehog? Did it look something like this? Yes, miss. I want to make it my pet. Okay. We can search for the hedgehog after class. Okay, miss.
Can we start, Monami?
Yes, miss. Hello, friends.
So children, get ready to learn about the 26 letters in the English alphabet. Today, we will learn about letter H. So let's start. This is an uppercase H. What is this, Monami?
This is an uppercase H.
Good. And this is a lowercase h. What is this, Monami?
This is a lowercase h.
As you know, children, every letter has a different sound. Letter H is a consonant and it has a sound. To make you understand it better, here is a story of Hickory the horse. Have you heard about Hickory the horse? One day, Hickory went to the market and ate one big hamburger from Happy Hippo's stall. As he realized he had forgotten his wallet, he gave his hat to the hippo. Hippo happily received the hat in exchange for a hamburger. He offered him another hamburger with extra cheese. Both were so happy that together they laughed in a funny way. A while ago, you were also doing Do you remember? That is the sound of letter H. So now, let us sing about the sound of letter H. H is a consonant, it has a sound. H is a consonant, it has a sound.
H is a consonant, it has a sound. H is a consonant, it has a sound.
Let us say the H sound.
Let us say the H sound.
As in hand, as in house, as in helicopter,
As in hand, as in house, as in helicopter.
Isn't it fun?
It's good to learn.
H is a consonant, it has a sound. H is a consonant, it has a sound.
H is a consonant, it has a sound. H is a consonant, it has a sound.
Let us say the H sound.
Let us say the H sound.
as in head, H as in hill, H as in hedgehog,
H as in head, H as in hill, H as in hedgehog.
Isn't it fun? It's good to learn. Monami, what have we learned today?
H as in horse, H as in hippo,
Hippopotamus,
H as in hedgehog.
yes.
Miss,
Yes, Monami?
I want to go to the garden to search for my hedgehog.
Okay. So, okay, let's say bye to your friends. Then we'll go to the garden.
Bye friends, and please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our channel.
Bye, children.